How to apply free government iPhone 12. Everyone wants to have an iPhone as it is among the most popular phones. They are among the most advanced phones, and their features like durability, quality, and technologies are pretty advanced too. Everyone wants to have an iPhone as it is among the most popular phones. They are among the most advanced phones, and their features like durability, quality, and technologies are pretty advanced too. Eligibility criteria 2. Get free government iPhone 12. 1. Your household income should be below 135% of the federal poverty guidelines. 2. You must be a participant in at least one of the federal or state assistance programs, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP. How to qualify for a free government iPhone 12? There are some requirements that need to be fulfilled for Lifeline and ACP programs to get selected for the free government iPhone 12. 1. You should have a clear credit history. 2. A valid social security number. 3. You should be a US citizen or legal resident. 4. You should be 18 years of age or older. 5. You should be employed or have a verifiable source of income. 6. There should be a Lifeline/ACP provider in your state. 7. You should be a participant in a government aid program. How to apply for the free government iPhone 12 online. Follow the steps to apply online for the Lifeline or ACP program to get iPhone 12. Open a browser and visit the official website. Click on the registration option and enter your state to check the availability of the program and complete the process. Apply at the Lifeline/ACP Support Center via mail by. Apply directly from your telecom service provider. Please fulfill all the details to get your iPhone 12. For more, you may visit to our site.